In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money selling Notion templates. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Selling Notion templates is a very quick and easy process, like I said, that will grant you a lot of money without too much work. The first thing is you need to be comfortable using Notion. So that means you have to create an account and get used to using the website if you are completely new to it. Because of this, it's very important that you spend a lot of time practicing the tools, learning how to use and optimize your work, and also reading up on guides and tutorials that Notion themselves provide. As you can see, you can find the official Help Center guides over at notion.so/help/guides. In here, you will have a lot of resources to choose from in order to learn how to make your Notion templates much better, which means that it will increase your sales. Likewise, you need to know what type of people you are working with when making these Notion templates. Usually, people look for specific things inside their Notion templates, for example, schoolwork. In order to research what people are looking for, you have many ways to go about looking for what's interesting in Notion. One of the simplest ones is just to open up YouTube and use the search function at the top to see the recommendations. As you can see, when I type how to set up Notion for, it gives me some recommendation like beginners, medical work, work, life. As you can see here, medical work is a possible theme you could explore. So by using the tools provided by Notion and the guides, you can learn how to make a Notion optimized for medical work and students alike. You could have probably a calendar of what they need to study on every day, each hour, etc., which subjects. Likewise, you have one of the recommendations being life, which means you can also do a basic Notion including a calendar, a day-to-day basis, tasks, etc., and personal to-do lists like this one. As you can see, these guides are very short reads, and by going through all of them, you will be able to produce a high-quality template that's going to sell well for any type of specific thing people are looking for. You can, like I said, you can look up what people want by searching on YouTube, for example. Now, after you learn how to make optimized Notion templates and you actually want to sell them, some of the best sites to do it at are Gumroad and Notionery. As you can see, both of these websites will allow you to sell the templates you've made using Notion to other people by promoting them and including them under specific subjects. Notionery is mostly aimed at Notion itself, so it's the one I'm gonna be recommending. As you can see directly at the homepage, you can simply click Explore Templates, and in here you have a lot of free templates to choose from if you still want to practice or learn by looking at how other people manage their templates. Likewise, you also have the paid templates that are either specific to a certain subject or just an overall starter pack, including everything you need to know and how to use Notion properly. A good way to learn what good templates include inside Notion if you are still a beginner to using Notion is by going to the template gallery by going to notion.so/templates. As you can see, these are handpicked by Notion themselves. Quality templates should give you a basic idea on what you need to include when making and selling a Notion template. You can download them for free and analyze them as much as you want. As you can see, they have different options like launch announcements, planning a trip, goal trackers, etc. As you can probably notice, a lot of these are directed to personal goals of the person using them, kind of like a wish list or a bucket list. Likewise, you can also pick by category. If we go by the example I showed you on looking up recommendations on sites like YouTube on what are people looking for, you can probably find one related to education, and you can make it so it's a template dedicated to medical school. As you can see, they also have paid templates over at this website. And after you are satisfied with the template you chose, you can just open it up on Notion and start copying everything that you want to include in your next Notion template to sell. Another inspiration you can take to make and sell your Notion templates are following famous content creators. One of the best example possible is Thomas Frank. Thomas Frank has recently started selling Notion templates and he is quite successful at this. In fact, he made a post about Notion templates in his website over at www.thomasjfrank.com/templates. As you can see here, he describes Notion as a powerful tool, as a blank slate, and that can be a bit daunting to set up. However, after you do, you will be able to do note-taking, tasks, project management, and more inside Notion. In this page, as you can see, he provides us with a lot of productivity dashboards and Notion templates. You can explore a lot of his ideas and see how he processes his ideas into a Notion template, and you can use these templates to learn what to include in your Notion template. As you can see, he even offers Notion templates for free. Click Learn More on any page that interests you and you will be redirected to his YouTube channel where he makes a lot of content related to Notion and making templates for productivity increases. Likewise, another thread or person you may want to follow is Easlow. Easlow made a thread on Twitter talking about how he makes $100 a day selling Notion templates, and he makes a list of 9 integral things: learning Notion, finding the niche, engaging with the community, publishing the actual content you make or the templates on social media, creating a lead magnet, selling on Gumroad, which is one of the websites I mentioned, distributing it on social media, launching on Product Hunt, and upselling the premium templates. As you can see, he has his own webpage over at Gumroad. As you can see, this roadmap really helps you on setting up your first Notion templates and setting them up for high quality products. By going through all the steps I presented to you in this video, learning how to make high quality templates, looking up what people are looking for over at their Notion templates, finding a marketplace to publish your Notion templates, studying up on official Notion templates, and by following content creators who make and sell Notion templates, you will become an expert in no time in making these templates to sell in different marketplaces related to different subjects. Like I said, it's a hassle-free way to make quick money, but you do need a lot of time in order to master what people are looking for and how to make your Notion templates stand out from the rest. If this video helped you on how to make money selling Notion templates, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.